Hello, my name is Tim Melchior from Trane Technologies. Trane Technologies developed lean legal operations and implemented the My Legal platform to drive legal operations to the next frontier. Lean legal operations is the embodiment of the core principles of lean operations in manufacturing as applied to legal operations. To transform legal operations to lean legal operations, we looked at our existing systems and people resources, then compared those to our continuous improvement goals. Lean principles were used to create lean legal operations, which utilized our existing subject matter experts and the MyLegal tools without creating an entirely new specialty team to manage our legal operations.
Tim brought the lean legal operations idea to me about 4 years ago and at the same time mentioned my legal platform. We began to look at the needs of the legal department. It was difficult to get a sense of what everyone needed due to the breadth of the department and the various needs by each legal function. Our subject matter experts needed a champion to manage their projects, their budgets, and to get technical experts together to drive solutions. Having a single point of contact to champion these solutions was first demonstrated in the engagement with our e-discovery vendor. In this instance, we used the vendor for a few projects for different teams. By managing this centrally, we were able to negotiate an alternative fee arrangement. This realized over $3 million in avoided costs for 7 litigation matters. We utilized a flat fee based on total space used as a metric to allocate the costs across various matters in active status. Once the idea was put into use and the data was collected, the vendor does all of the e-discovery matter management. We were able to remove Trane Technologies employees or attorneys from direct access to the data, which protects us from claims of data manipulation or spoliation. This separation of duties put in place further protects the companies in all e-discovery matters.
In the IP group, we have several projects that have and are coming together to create significant efficiencies in our practice. First, we created an outside counsel review matrix using the tools within our systems that give us quantitative data that we could add to the qualitative reviews we have on each law firm. Over the course of the first 4 years of the project, we identified the best firms and culled our firm panel by 78%. This allowed us to focus on the firms that best support our needs and gave us the leverage to negotiate alternative fee arrangements with the firms we retained. In addition to this, the MyLegal system is allowing us to automate, streamline, and better support the activities within the intellectual property function. The integration of that system with outside counsel allows us to bring them into the process directly rather than communicating via email to manage our matters. As we move forward, lean legal operations will allow us to leverage the cross-functional projects to help us develop a legal-wide document management system and revised e-billing matter management platform.
At Trane, we boldly challenge what's possible for a sustainable world. One of the ways we get there is with our very key strategy of building a world-class lean enterprise. I run the legal department here at Trane, and then Tim brought some great ideas to me and to the company on how to do that from a legal department perspective. Glenn and Michelle shared some of those ideas with you today, and I'm happy to report that that is just scratching the surface. I look behind me at this map with us as a world-class global innovator, and I see many, many more opportunities in the legal department.
The immigration team has several processes that are fairly administrative but time consuming. We utilize the My Legal platform to create workflows that eliminate the need for multiple calls, emails, and reports to create efficiencies. We added applications to assist with talent acquisition, decreasing the response time on immigration validation from days to minutes. Our business introduction travel letter system has created a time savings of over 400 hours per year. This has allowed me to focus on other substantive work with our employees in various offices around the globe, thus improving our employee customer experience and service.
Hello, I'm Tori Jones. And as part of our data privacy vetting process here at Trane Technologies, for each of our new vendors or suppliers, we have a series of reviews that are completed prior to any contract approval or finalization. These steps must be completed and approved by the global privacy team prior to the advancement of negotiations or any new or expansion of existing contracts. Traditionally, this process, which is known as a DPIA or Data Privacy Impact Assessment, was done through a series of forms and emails to vet the vendor, and then those forms were attached to the contract file and sent on along for further review. Now we have the requester work through the My Legal portal. They create the DPIA request, and the review is completed electronically versus through the standard Word documents. All documentation is carried out in the system, and once complete, the record is submitted to our contract lifecycle management tool for the next step. This has created a more manageable, reportable, and maintained system for this key vetting of our new and existing vendors.
Lean Legal Operations has revolutionized our legal team's continuous improvement initiatives. Since implementation, we have recognized efficiencies and time saved of over 500 hours in 2023 alone using the first 10 application integrations in the MyLegal system. We have had cost avoidance with contracts negotiated for alternate fee arrangements and e-discovery streamlining of greater than $3.5 million in the first 3 years. Our ability to track DE&I spend and utilization is expanding based on the collaboration efforts between our teams that had not previously connected their common need. The MyLegal platform is our legal front door, allowing not only our legal team, but also our clients and outside counsel to collaborate collectively and drive efficiencies across the department. We're on a fantastic glide path, and lean legal operations is the cornerstone of that success. Thank you.